When we do CO2 laser, we always prep the patient's skin by putting them on a skincare regimen. We always do that before anything else with retinols, all those good stuff. At least, 4 to 6 weeks before the treatment to get better results. She will be expecting some redness, swelling, especially around the eye area. A little sore, so when she washes her face, she's going to be very gentle with it. We normally send our patients home with Shield Recovery Balm from IS Clinical. We give them the hydrating cream from ZO Skincare. And we recommend that they don't apply any makeup on. If it's a woman, we don't have them wear makeup on in the next week until all the redness. And sometimes they start getting some scabs or flaking on the 3rd or 4th day. So just keep the skin hydrated. We also we also believe in natural things, so we always advise our patients to soothe their skin. We tell them to do the distilled water and vinegar soaking, a few times a day if they feel tight, itchy, dry, before washing their face or cleansing their face, to do that soaking first, because it actually has an antimicrobial effect, so prevents any infection. Now we're going to be using our Exosomes Regenerative Complex, which has 16 different types of growth factors, amino acids, peptides that actually help promote collagen stimulation and faster healing for the patient.